Oh, my sweet fellow jewelers, have I got a product that those that use resin absolutely need? Like, people will tell you, you need this, you need this, you need this. No, 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 my friend. I have found a product. You need this. Now, when I find a product, I have to tell you, this is not sponsored. They did not ask me to do this at all. Like, I love this product so much, I'm like, I have to share with my viewers. So for those that use resin, like, sometimes you get the epoxy or the UV resin on your hands, and it's so hard to get off. Like, I've watched videos about, well, just use really warm water and Dawn soap, or just use like rubbing alcohol and they'll come right off. No, it doesn't. I will leave my hands there forever till they're raw and it still feels really sticky and doesn't come off. Well, the crazy thing is, this is like wipes. This is like wipes for resin, to get resin off your hands. No stinking way. And the crazy thing is, I did work for the company, but I never asked for this product. So the company contacted me and they're like, Des, will you do a free video if we'll give you a free product? And I was like, yes. They're like, pick out whatever you want. So I picked out mica powder. I picked out epoxy. I picked out all these other things. I never picked this out because I'm like, I got my hot water and soap, which doesn't work, but I don't need wipes, right? Well, they sent this to me anyway, because you know why? It works so stinking well. So they sent this to me, and when I tried it, I was in shock. I was like, I don't feel like when I actually touched it, I got this, pulled them out. I was like, I don't feel it. I don't need, oh my gosh, this is amazing. And I've been dying to tell you, freaking out about it. And so I just really recommend that you use this product. Now, the only thing is, I'm very stingy. I like saving things. And so when I use one of the wipes, it dries out within like 30 minutes. And so if I just use a little bit, I'll put it in a Ziploc bag to save it for the next time because these work so well. So when I find something that works well, you know I have to share with you. So I will put the link in the description below. No, I'm not getting paid for this. This is not like, they never asked me to do this. I just found a product I love and I had to share with you, my resin fellow jewelers. All right. So go ahead, check out the link. And guess what? Go to another video of mine right here, right here, right here. Go check it out. All right, guys, I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.